The Air Jordan 5 is having a moment. We're currently celebrating its 35th anniversary, and honestly, it feels like Jordan Brand saved some of the best ideas for this year. Between the Tokyos and the Awake collab, and now this, medium soft pink, the 5s are officially back in the spotlight. This pair feels like the perfect bridge between old school Jordan heritage and modern streetwear energy. It takes everything people love about the fire reds, but flips the aggression into elegance. You still got the fighter jet inspired design, but now it's dipped in something softer, a clean pastel pink that hits right in today's fashion sweet spot. And here's the wild part, it's one of the few non-collab releases to feature that coveted Nike Air branding. That's a huge nod to legacy. So yeah, this isn't just another retro, this is Jordan Brand saying we know how to do this right. Originally designed by Tinker Hatfield back in the 1990s, the Air Jordan 5 took inspiration from the P-51 Mustang fighter plane, which you can see in that signature shark teeth detailing along the midsole. It was meant to reflect MJ's aggressive playing style, fast, fearless, and flashy. The medium soft pink keeps that DNA intact, but refreshes it for 2025. Most of the upper is covered in that white 3M reflective material, giving it that classic shine under light. The shark teeth on the midsole comes dressed in a smooth pastel pink, sitting right above a blacked out base and an icy translucent outsole that ties it all together. We still get all the OG callouts, the Stitch 23 on the heel, Nike Air branding on the back, and that Jumpman logo on the tongue. But what makes this pair stand out is that full reflective treatment. It doesn't just hit the tongue like the old days, the entire upper lights up when light hits. For quality, Jordan Brand actually did their thing here. This leather 3M material is clean, the 3M application is consistent, and the stitching hits where it should. Nothing is really out of the ordinary or out of place with this shoe. I don't really even see any glue stains. Like I said, no major flaws, which isn't something I say often about recent retros. This shoe does indeed feel premium, and honestly, the reflective upper makes it pop way more in hand than it did in photos. I'm actually a huge fan of this pair, and I'm glad that I finally have a pair of pink Jordans, because I don't feel like Jordan Brand really does pink retros, at least for men, and if they do them, they're more in grade school and go up to a men's 10.5, and I can't fit that. Now for sizing, I'd say go true to size for most people, but personally, I like to go a half size up in my Jordan 5s, especially if you have a wider foot. The padding around the ankle and that inner lining can make it feel a little snug at first, but these do break in, I guess, fairly nicely over time, but I like to go a half size up when I can. So now, are the Air Jordan 5 medium pinks worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. The medium soft pink is one of those rare releases that feel wearable, collectible, and timeless all at once. I've always had a soft spot for pink sneakers. They stand out without being too loud, and this pair nails that balance. Whether you're in it for the nostalgia, style, or just adding something fresh to your rotation, this one is obviously a win. Retail for the medium soft pink was $210 or $215. I don't really remember, but you know, $5 difference, not too bad. These released October 11th, 2025 in full family sizing. So if you still want them, they are indeed in stock, so don't sleep if you can find them in your size. I just hope the creasing isn't too bad when I do finally wear these out here in these New York City streets. Let me know in the comments below. Are you rocking the medium soft pinks, or are you saving that budget for another Jordan drop? If you enjoyed this sneaker breakdown, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more sneaker deep dives like this. I'm CClaxton for Something Light Media. The On Feet is up next. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.